They told me you're the reason I shine, as you loved all my seasons. Oh, chemistry unfolds. Oh, like never before, but
hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I have a get ready with me for you guys. In this get ready, we're going to continue using the Tarte Gilded palette. We're going to be using golds, keeping with the gold. This palette is majority gold with some wines, but really there's a lot of gold in here. As you can see, there's a lot of golds, browns, golds, that kind of color. And with that, we are going to use my Tarteist Pro palette. This is in my project pan or pan that palette challenge. I'll link it right here for you if you guys want to check out that video. But yeah, that's in there. So I thought I would create another look for you guys. This is again more on the gold side, just like the other one. I will link that get ready with me here. I'm pretty sure you've seen that one already. But we're going to keep in with the Valentines, just a little different colors, not traditional, but more gold. And then using the sweater, you will see an outfit at the end as well. I'll talk about the sweater and how I got it and everything. But anyway, I am using some hearts. So keeping in with the Valentine's Day theme with non-traditional colors, more of a monochromatic eye look for you guys on this one. All right, let me go ahead and let you go see that. Right, let's get started. I do have my Ulta primer. This is my favorite. This is the matte eye primer in nude. This is really, really good. And they do sell one like this in illuminating, I think it is, or yeah, I think it is. But anyway, I love this. This stuff is really, really, really good. Okay, so I got my two palettes. I'm going to go into my Tarteist Pro. And as you guys know, this one is in my project pan. And I'm going to go into It's Innocent. I'm just going to put a little bit of that into the, just below the brow bone area. Just a little bit here.
oh, like never before, but my heart fills love with poison. Sawdust, but you fixed what was broken. I want to keep you close.
I want to go into as many colors as I can with this palette because I want to use it up and be done with it. It's beautiful, but I want to move on. So what I'm going to do is, this might be a little bit of a monochromatic kind of look. I hope I said that right. But I'm going to go into Dame. I'm sorry, guys. You're getting a lot of the reflective from the palette. I'm going to go into Dame in the inner part of the crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here.
Keep you close. There are fears I hold. Would you love me if I told you what they put me through? Don't know what's the pace I can follow to get to you. If I push too hard, will you become someone I know?
It's pretty good. I mean, I like the color. I just don't know if I'm placing them in the right places. I don't know. I'm just trying to use up as much as I can. And if you look at the palette, let me show you again. If you look at the palette, I mean, it is pretty monochromatic, I think, for the most part, except this top layer. See, it's pretty monochromatic. Okay, I think we're going to keep with that theme, I guess, and we're going to go into rhythm. Now, I have used rhythm, but I'm going to go into a little bit of that. My sweater has a lot of yellow and orange color. Let's go ahead and use rhythm, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outer corner, and I'm going to bring it up into the lid. The lid space. I'm going to go ahead and use, I don't know if this might be a little too big, might be a little too big. This is a Sephora Pro tapered crease. I don't really use it all that much, so let's see, it might be too big.
And always everything I do leads to the end of our places. Saving up your picture keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there? I know I can't do it. And I left him.
It's very monochromatic, isn't it? I hope I'm saying that word right, for sure. If you're up close, like up close here, you could see the different shade, but it's very, very, very subtle shade of difference. It's just a very soft, subtle shade of difference. By the way, I like this brush. I do. I'm so glad I'm going into my brushes and decluttering all my makeup and brushes and things. So I'm finding brushes that I haven't used in so long, and it's nice. So I'm glad. I like this one. I'm going to have to change it a little bit. I'm just going to add a little bit of color. We're going to go back into a color that I already used, Roaring, and I use this in a Valentine's Day look. I'll link it at the iCard, should be popping up. I'm just going to get a very tiny amount with this brush. This is Real Techniques, very tapered. I'm just going to get a little bit, and I'm just going to go over that color that is in the inner part of the crease, and I'm just going to lay it on top.
Damage ain't love. Don't know if I will nip where it hurts.
All right, I actually like that. I do. It's giving a little bit, still I think a little monochromatic, but giving a little bit of depth of color. Anyways, let's go back into the palette, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use Frills, which is this color right here, Frills, right there. And that's going to be going into my outer corner, a little bit into the crease. Debating if I want to get rhythm and put rhythm all over the lid first, which is this one right here, which is on the outer corner here, on the outer portion of my crease. Put it up a little bit more. If I want to put that into the crease, I think I do. Yes. Go back into my Sephora brush, and I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of my lid. So right here.
You to hold me, I'm a mess and you picked up what was broken. I wanna keep you close, but all these fears don't go.
It's looking a little crazy, but let's trust the process. Anyway, I took you off cinematic because I wanted to show you, this is another favorite brush of mine, M506 Morphe. This is very comparable to the Sigma that's my ultimate favorite, the Sigma E42 Precision, can never say that word, firm blender. So these are very comparable, very comparable. So if you have like hooded eyes or you need a lot of detailing, this one, the Morphe 506, M506 is really good. Very comparable to this one. So we're going to go ahead and use that one. I already have Frills on there. Let me show you Frills really quickly. This is going to go in the outer corner right here, Frills. It's going to go on the outer corner and into the crease. Let's deepen up this outer portion here. I don't know, people. I don't know if I did good. I don't know. We'll see. All right, we're going to go in with the shimmer shade now. And I think I have my gold picked out because this is going to be gold. This is going to be Speakeasy. I want that gold right there. This gold, I did try it out. That is way too, I don't know, deep. I think a deeper gold. I kind of want a little bit more of a brighter gold, but I definitely want to do the gold. So we're going to go with this one here. And really, I'm going to start at it in the center of the lid first and then see how far in I want to go with it. I have this little MAC brush that I've had forever.
Saving up your pictures keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there? Will you do it?
That gold is so pretty. I love it. So far, I think it's coming out okay. In the Tarteist Pro palette that I'm using in conjunction with this one, there is a color called Glam. And I was playing with it. So this is Glam right here. And this one right here, I think is going to go in the brow bone area. And I'm going to swatch it for you. And if you see my sweater, it has some blues, you know, neon like yellow, orange, and things like that. I'm going to swatch this, and I think this is going to be the perfect color for the brow bone area. So let me give you a swatch. This is Glam. And look at that. And it pulls a little bit, maybe more, instead of a blue like what it has here, it pulls a little bit more into a more lavender purple hue to it. And I think that's going to be, and definitely gold. It's pulling gold. But look at that. I think it's going to go perfect with this. Perfect. Perfect. That would have been good for the eyelid too. But again, I want to use the golds that are in that other palette to move on. But anyway, that's going to be the color. And it's from this palette right here, Tarteist Pro palette. Okay, so that's going to go in the brow bone. I'm going to use the same color that I used for this one here. I'm going to use the other side of it, the MAC brush.
I shine as you loved on my seasons. Oh, chemistry unfolds. Oh, like never before, but my heart feels.
Okay, I'm going to go back into this brush here that had the Innocent color. I'm just going to blend Innocent with Glam. Oh, that is such a beautiful color, Glam. I think I'm going to get a lot of uses out of that one color. It can pull so many different ways, and depending on what you're wearing, depending on your eye look, I think it draws more to that. Oh, it's such a beautiful, beautiful color. All right, you guys, I'll be right back. I'm just going to go finish the rest of my face, and then when I come back, we'll do a close-up and discuss.
And always, everything I do leads to the end of our places. Saving up your picture keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there?
Okay, my friends, there it is. There's the eye look. I really, really did like it. Got a little nervous there for a little bit, but I really like it. So far, this palette, you guys, is very, very nice. I am loving this palette so far. And I really don't have very many shades to go through. I really, really don't. Let me see if I can point out the ones that I need. I definitely need to go through that one, that one, and that one. And then I do need to go through this one here, and I believe that one. So not very many. I'm going to try and see if I can do another look for you guys because I want to use some of those wine colors, pull from those. I think I've done like two more goldy colors, but this one is a little bit more prominent in the gold. But I really, really do love it. But that Glam color, can we talk about the Glam color? Oh my gosh, I think I'm saying it right. Yeah, Glam from the Tarteist Pro. This one right here, oh my gosh, I am going to have fun with this one right here. Loads and loads and loads of fun with that one. This one right here is something that I'm going to have loads of fun because I really feel like I'm going to be able to pull it with a lot of colors that I'm wearing. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair is so flat. I try to curl it and get it all cute, but it keeps getting flat, you guys. I need a haircut so bad. Anyways, what I want to do right now is I want to go ahead and show you my outfit. This is a sweater that I had on eBay for sale. I found it at a thrift store not near me. So I put it up about November or so. I put it up and I said, if this doesn't sell, I'm going to go ahead and keep it. And this morning I thought about it and I said, you know, I'm just going to pull it off and I'm just going to go ahead and keep it. So I thought this morning I want to go ahead and wear it because it's raining, it's cold, and I thought it's the best time. So let me go ahead and get up so I can First, let me just share with you guys, I have a paparazzi heart necklace that I've owned forever. And these are the matching earrings and then my typical rings and things like that. Now the sweater does have a very plungy neckline. And so I had to put something underneath, but you could put any color. You can even find like a light blue or an orange, lime green. It'll really pop it out. But I wanted something nude and neutral because my pants have this sort of color right here. These a little bit more, these colors. I think it matches. I hope it matches. So the pants are from Lauren Conrad. They're a chiffon dressier type. And I forgot the sweater rather, I'm going to put the name of it here. Okay. But it is a large, but I'll put the name of it here. I wanted to mention too, on the back, it has a flap. I wanted to mention that it has a flap like that. So it's really nice. You could probably, no. I was like, maybe you could do that, but no, it's just, it has a really nice flap on the back.
And always, everything I do leads to the end of our places. Saving up your picture keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there? I know I can't do it. And there I left him with tears like rain in his brown eyes. I will regret it.
All right, you guys, there it is. There is the eye look. I do like it. And there's the outfit. I do like it. It's a very thick knit sweater and great for this rainy day. I forgot to mention before I let you go, I wanted to mention my lipstick. This is something I've been pulling out a lot lately. I'm glad I went through all of my old makeup because this resurfaced. This is the Origins Sweet Iris number 7. It's from Origins. And that's what I have on. So it's definitely more of a gloss, not a liquid lipstick, but it's more like a balm, colored balm or something like that. A little bit more moisturizing. So I really, really like it. And I've been using this a lot lately, a lot. Anyways, that is it. I'll let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will try to come back and do another look using this palette. Use some of the winier colors. I have a top that would match that perfectly. So more of those wine colors in there. Hopefully I can get another one in there for you guys. All right, my friends, I will talk to y'all very soon. Take care. Bye.